Welcome to another WDW Prince Quick Tip. Today's tip is, have ice cream for breakfast. Walt Disney World is vacation, and vacation is escaping from routine. Vacation is pure fun. Take one morning out of your vacation to indulge the kid inside of you. And now it's time to head out and enjoy some attractions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click like below. Thank you.